Hello. Welcome to military test. Today I will present you a kydex sheath for the Leatherman Wave model multi-tool. It was bought from China, it cost $25. This kydex sheath is also available for the other Leatherman multi-tool models. I will leave in the description a link to the store where I bought it. It has a removable belt fastening system. It can be worn vertically or horizontally as well as in an oblique position. It is solid and resistant. The tool fits very well in the sheath, and it can be taken out of the sheath easily. The sheath has an adjustment system depending on the width of the belt. If the belt is wider or narrower,